Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to solve Compare at Price Not Showing problem on Shopify. Start by opening up your Shopify store. As you can see here, there is no Compare at Price showing right now. Although when I go to Online Store and click on Customize, you can see that I do have a Compare at Price for this product. To fix this, go to Settings and choose Markets. Next, click on Preferences and disable Compare at Price Hiding for EEA customers. Finally, reload your store and the problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.